तो क्या बोल रहा था तू? Courtesy. Hey guys,
Courtesy, yaar.
one other thing. We are doing this at 12:30 in the night. So please.
1 second. We've been at it since 10:30.
That's right.
And we've not been able to do it because of many a technical snags. And now
Correct.
everything
At only
is...
one person's end.
And
Yeah, fucking other.
let's-
So we told him to not continue in this podcast. That's why
but
he's
first,
out.
Varun, just tell us about that fucking light going out in your building, which started this whole domino effect.
तो मेरे बिल्डिंग के पीछे का एक
एक मिनट भाई लोग, स्टोरी के पहला इंट्रो तो लो मादर.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show where we take random interesting stats, facts, trivia, and personal stories and we talk about it. And today's episode is on our favorite apps. And this topic is courtesy Hardik. He gave us the topic idea on Discord. It's Discord, but we call it Discord. I mean, y'all call it Discord, and hence we call it Discord. And that's also a good app. So, तुम लोग को मालूम है लाइफ में सबसे फर्स्ट ऐप किसका बना था? लाइफ में नहीं, मतलब फर्स्ट एवर ऐप किसका था और किस पे था?
First ever application
हाँ,
on a computer.
on fucking whatever, bro, mobile app.
It was
Mobile app.
Oh, mobile app. Okay, I was going to
Apple.
go with
It'll be an alarm.
No, it was actually Snake on the Nokia 6110.
3110.
6110.
अरे 3110 was before 6110.
हाँ तो ठीक है, तो ये बोल रहा है कि ये रैंडम वेबसाइट जिससे मैंने पढ़ा है वो गलत है.
Yes, क्योंकि
क्या
वो
तू ये बोल रहा
website
है? ये वेबसाइट जिसका नाम है inventionland.com.
you know
अरे but
something.
3310 was the Nokia 3310 was
हाँ.
the first brick which we had, na, the 3310.
ओके, सो मैं इसको लिखता हूँ एक ईमेल. गांडू क्या बोला? इधर लिखा है, in 1997 Nokia 6110 included a built-in version of the basic arcade game Snake, which many consider to be the first mobile app.
Also, by the way, for Nokia, it was the last mobile app also, because I don't think they had any other apps.
I think for Nokia it was
Snake.
उन्होंने Snake बना दिया, बस खत्म हो गया.
खत्म हो
उसके
गया,
बाद
company
Nokia ने
बंद
बोला
हो गया.
बस भाई अपना हो गया ना, ये भी रिटायर हो रहा है मोबाइल सीन से. एप्पल आजा, तू ले ले.
I found this fact about apps, and it's hilarious because this article is called "Worst Apps for Your Smartphone's Battery." Okay, and it's on Times of India. And the second on
Times
this
of
list,
India is the first app.
First app.
no, that's not waste of battery. It's waste of battery and time. But this app, okay, the second on the list is, I love it. It's called Battery Saver Apps.
Battery
So-
saver app.
Yeah, so the battery saver, the battery saver or RAM cleaning apps are the ones that silently run in the background, even if the smartphone is sitting idle. Right? These apps on a regular basis keep scanning and keep scanning the handset for battery hogging apps. So ironically, the apps that you install to prevent battery hogging apps are the ones that are hogging the battery. So who will watch the Watchmen?
डिलीट करो अभी जिसके पास भी फोन पे है ये बैटरी सेवर ऐप, उसको डिलीट किया जाए. You know the
At this
total
point-
number of apps in the world or what?
No, how
एक
much
rough
is it?
idea है. When I had
मेरे को
last
लास्ट स्टीव जॉब्स ने बोला था कुछ तो we have over 1 billion apps on the app store. ऐसा
बाबा,
कुछ
Steve
नहीं.
Jobs तब बोला था.
अच्छा गलत है क्योंकि वो है कुछ 297 million apps.
चांस ही नहीं है. Oh, he must have said million apps on the app store.
Correct.
Yeah, not billion, million. हाँ.
बाप. So
So 270 million apps.
I'll
ये
tell
तुम
you-
लोगों को-
हाँ, I'll
मैं
tell you
एक
one
चीज
app
पढ़-
that
हाँ,
you
बोल,
would
बोल.
love. Okay, if you have an Android phone.
Oh, sorry, that wasn't the number of apps. That was the number of downloads.
There you go.
Is 269 billion.
What apps?
Apps have been downloaded till 2019 a total of 269 billion times. मतलब वो
हाँ,
अभी
correct.
300 के ऊपर तो हो गया होगा आराम से.
Correct. Because उसमें से 200 बिलियन तो मेरे फोन पे है.
So one of my favorite apps, and I think this only exists in the Android phone thing, but it's called AnyBooks, and it's lovely because it does exactly what it's called. It gives you any book you want.
Yeah, it's a
And
free book. It's a free book.
It's a
right?
free book
Yeah.
app, and it's great because you
Yeah,
get
in
a
the
lot
Apple
of fucking
universe,
books.
in the iOS universe, we call it money.
नहीं, but the books that you get are the app, like are the books good या फिर ऐसे कुछ भी
No, they're-
कबाड़ी book है?
No, they're
अरे
proper
नहीं,
fucking
नहीं.
books. So you get real books on it. I don't know how legal it is, but it exists and it's very free to download and you can, and it's fucking all the resources in the world are on it. So, you know, knock yourself out.
You don't get popular titles, right? You just
You get everything. You get everything. Literally any books. Any books.
But
Red
tell
card
me,
है
do you
क्या
guys
उसमें?
know? Do you guys know the
Everything.
most downloaded app of all time?
Let me guess. Is it
Facebook ही होगा.
Yeah,
Facebook?
Facebook. Facebook
Facebook.
is the most downloaded app of all time.
Wow.
That makes
Previously,
sense,
the
no?
most downloaded apps actually belonged to Google. They were YouTube and Google Maps. Each had
Yeah.
over 1 billion downloads.
That's
Yeah,
true.
and I'm
dude.
not surprised because YouTube technically is the world's second biggest search engine.
Yeah.
So
आधे public तो Google पे जाके website type करते हैं.
Yeah.
yeah.
Also
So I'm
just-
saying, so no, Google is the largest search engine, but the second largest search engine in terms
Is
of
YouTube.
volume is YouTube.
Yeah.
So that's
Also,
huge.
Baba, to talk about your Apple thing, Apple's App Store is the second largest. It has 2.2 million apps. So it's not
Oh,
billion.
that's it.
As
Okay.
to what you were saying, it was 2.2 million apps.
Sure.
Also, by the way,
We-
you know, like when
We are
Maps
really
had
well
just
prepared
come
for
out,
this episode. Huh.
when Maps had just come out, I remember like I used to use it in taxis, right? To get to like, because I used to stay in Lower Parel and we used to always fucking come to meet at Andheri. So I used to take a taxi there. And I used to use the Maps, and this was like, you know, before like the Uber thing became completely like, everyone uses apps now, right? But back then, when you use Maps, the taxi driver used to think you could predict the future. Right? I used to be like, sir, वो गली में मत जाना, उधर आपका 10 minute waste हो जाएगा. And then it would happen, and you'd be like, आपको कैसे पता था? And it would be like I'm a guy from the future who just knows shit. It was fucking crazy.
But it's pretty much that, right? Because
Yeah.
the other day I was thinking कि app ये कौन सा है? Google Maps के बिना,
Yeah.
that app being on your phone, how are we doing shit? Like it just
Yeah,
seems
it's
alien to me. I know we used to go
Absolutely.
ask someone, he would tell you to ask someone, they would tell you to ask somebody, and eventually
No, it's
you're
crazy. It
30
really is
kilometers on
crazy.
the other side, you know, from where you were supposed to be. But अभी किधर भी जा, bro, दुनिया के कोने कोपचे में जा, it's just so easy.
No, and the thing is, you know, back in the day, so like for example, the taxi drivers in London, right? They are, as part of their program to get the license, you're supposed to know the entire
No,
map of London
by heart, yeah.
by heart. So their brain, the part of their brain that the part of the brain that uses location, right, and this thing that is extremely developed, and as a result of maps, I suspect that our memory and shit like that is decreasing when you think of geography and directions. I
Yeah.
genuinely think so. Like,
It's become crazy now because
Right?
I mean I now just look at maps because I have it. I'm
Yeah.
like, अरे कितना time लगेगा देख लेता हूँ. Like it's
Yeah.
just become that. It's stupid.
Bro, that's the scene with Google Earth. I love Google Earth. कि तू Google Earth पे बैठ के चलते जा,
किधर भी जा
कुछ
सकता
भी
है।
किधर भी
देख.
जा, हाँ.
Even like Google Street View, for example. Like
Street View,
Google ने
yeah.
तो kill कर दिया है, bro. Like they have so many things across the spectrum that you can just, तू इधर बैठ के उधर अजरबैजान की एक street देखनी है मुझे. क्यों ऐसे? And then you
ऐसे.
just find it.
If you think about it, the most like oldest form of anything that's like a productive app. Like I was just doing some like whatever little reading on productive apps and stuff like that. If you think about it, one of the first signs would be like a to-do list, right?
oh, I thought you were going to say, you know, stone tools that the cavemen used to use.
That
That
my
was the
friends used
first
to use.
app, and I feel like it was a very important contribution.
No. So, but can you like just think about it?
Yeah.
Like, if you had to put like a time frame to when was the first to-do list that started to surface? Like, when do you think? Like, do you think that?
As soon as we started writing, because people were like, "Fuck, I had to keep all of this in my head." I'm like, "भैंचो, अभी लिखना चालू कर दिया है, लिख दो एक. Number 1, buy toilet paper."
Okay.
जो
Varun, what
कभी
is
नहीं
your guess?
खरीदते इधर. हाँ?
What is your guess?
When was the first to-do
Like,
list?
when
created?
did it start to surface as a concept and become a thing?
But why are we on to-do list?
Because in 1791 is what is
Oh.
recorded as the first to-do list.
Oh, that's
1790, that late, right? And it's Benjamin Franklin. The reason why I was talking about it is because I was just reading about like what was considered
An app.
what was considered productive, right? And so things just over the course of period today, productivity is anything that helps you save time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So earlier you would measure productivity in terms of volume of things that were done. So we made this much metal, we cured this much thing, we farmed this much thing.
Hmm.
Today it's no longer about the quantity or the quality, it is about the time you are saving.
You
So
mean the product
every
is
app,
time, and
yeah,
the volume is more time.
yeah. So the thing is, everything you see, it is a way to do something not just efficiently, but in a way that helps you save time. So whether it is maps and I need to get from point A to point B quicker, whether it is weather apps, whatever you look at, smart devices that, whether it's Alexa, whether it's whatever, it's a way for you to be able to multitask and save time and do something else. It's insane how they've sort of like
Baba, I would like to counter your argument that apps are made to be efficient and productive by
because Instagram.
presenting to you,
Yeah.
I French Kiss. What is I French Kiss app? Well, good question. It is an app that lets you kiss your phone and it rates you on that kiss.
But how can it do that?
Ew.
Exactly.
How does it do that?
Yuck.
You have
Yeah,
to
I don't want to
fucking-
kiss my phone. इतने भी बुरे दिन नहीं आ गए कि आजकल लोग-
But I'm saying,
Also-
how is it gauging it? Like on the basis of what?
I don't know. The second app is I Am Rich. The sole purpose of the app,
Yeah.
which costs $5.99.
No,
Or
it,
99,
you know when it
600
launched,
pounds.
it used to cost $999.
Correct.
And all it did was when you downloaded it, it was a shiny reaffirmation that you are rich.
That's right.
That's it. That's
right.
what this app
Dude,
was.
ये आदमी ने कितना पैसा बनाया है ऐसे ही रे?
Also, here is another thing that is completely counterproductive to any kind of productivity. It's called I Am a Man app. And here's what it does. The idea of a man checking a woman's menstrual cycle is what this app projects. Okay, here's the app's description of its features. Trace your girlfriend's periods. Trace your girlfriend's periods. Set a master password for the whole program. Set personal passwords for every girl. Make calls by simply tapping her name.
Wow, bro.
That is where we're at with apps.
But but like if you think about, like, for example, apps, the way they start and what actually comes out of it, who would have thought Angry Birds would become what it did, right?
Yeah.
वो जो face था of Angry Bird to a point where those are, I think 2009 it came out, right? Angry Birds. By
I don't know dates.
2015 they had over 3 billion downloads. Okay, countless spin-offs, merchandise, movies, theme parks, soft drinks. Bro, I'm telling you, Malaysia at that point of time was just Angry Birds everywhere. मैं उधर गया था एक शो के शूट के लिए, हम लोग एक मॉल के अंदर गए, लिटरली पब्लिक मेरे को सिर्फ Angry Bird बैग, Angry Bird बॉटल, Angry Bird कैप, Angry Bird जूता, Angry Bird टी-शर्ट. I said इसके अलावा कुछ पूरा मॉल में Angry Bird था, bro. Came to a point. It's also been to NASA. You remember? You know that they had a full video where they had like Angry Birds and the pigs. They go weightless. There's a killer link. You should go see it.
Dude, you know they've made so many products that it must have fucked the environment so much that like you should just make a separate series called Angry Polar Bears, where they're like, "You fuck your merchandise, bitch."
In fact, so I found this really nice thing. App was voted Word of the Year for 2009.
What bird of the year?
Word of the Year. Bird nahi.
Oh,
app
app.
was voted
Oh, I
Word
thought
of the
you were talking
Year
about-
in 2010.
Nice.
On the eve of some of the biggest changes in the app market. Like Apple revealed almost 300,000 jobs were added to the US economy since the iPhone's debut, calling it like the app revolution. और ये सब वो time पे हो रहा था. 2010. Like,
That is-
and in 2014, sorry, I'm just
Huh.
reading this one also. 2014, it showed a shift in app usage from fun games and social media to entire lifestyles.
Wow.
Right? Snapchat at that point in time, at its peak, was reported to have 700 million photos shared each day.
No, but that number seems extremely small because somebody they were sort of looking at the amount of data that travels through social media apps, so social media related apps. But unfortunately, this also includes messaging apps, so like WhatsApp and iMessage and things like that. And I think that there was a number that was estimated to 1.3 trillion terabytes per second,
Wow.
or some number which is insane. I may be off by a trillion, but I'm saying whatever it is, it's that many terabytes per second is what is sort of passing, and this includes everything. Whether it's thing, there was I'm just going to look for it while you all keep talking. There was an app that there was a picture of the entire global internet uh, pathway,
Data.
uh, data pathway that was running, and I think it was on a per second basis that I was sort of looking at that thing. But okay, sorry. So continue.
Dude, so I went for a haircut recently, and udhar before I entered the salon, they told me ki, sir, you cannot enter without the Arogya Setu app, right? So
Correct.
yeah, so I downloaded the Arogya Setu app.
Oh, God.
Then I said, now what? They said, sir, we have to check whether you are eligible to enter or not. Okay, so I said, how do you do it? They said, sir, just answer the questionnaire. Okay, now I open the thing. Now I only have to answer whether I have underlying conditions.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then I
yeah,
say
yeah.
no. And then I only have to answer whether I live in a containment zone. So I say no. And then it says you are safe. And then I walk in.
Bro, same thing happened to me.
Abhi-
First flight in
this has
7
happened
months.
everywhere.
I was
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to Rajasthan to shoot. Airport पहुंचा. I'm showing in my ticket. It's like Arogya Setu. I said नहीं है. नहीं उसके बिना entry नहीं है. ऐसे मुझे download नहीं करना है.
Hmm.
So it's like no, then you can't get entry. I was like okay, that's weird. ठीक है. तो उसके सामने आदमी उधर है. उसके सामने मैंने download करके ये किया है.
Hmm.
क्लिक करके उसको दिखाया उधर आया you are safe. हाँ अभी जाओ.
Yeah.
Like the whole
Yeah.
point of the app is that
And
you have
what's
to download
really
it, keep
funny-
it on, keep it with you, so it
Yeah.
traces where all you've gone or where you
Yeah.
spend most of your time. The app has to determine whether you're in a containment zone or no.
Yeah.
Correct. But all of it is thing
It's a
because the
scam.
questions also it asks
It's a
you.
scam.
So here's the thing about Arogya Setu. Someone released a news
Yeah.
article that said that you don't need
Nobody
Arogya
knows.
Setu. It's no longer.
No,
it's
as in nobody knows who created the app, where the data is going, what's being used for.
but
कुछ
it's
नहीं
also
लिखा.
not mandatory.
Where now it must have. अरे जितना तेरे को information public का लेना था तूने ले
Correct.
लिया है.
Correct.
And in
man-
fact, when they announced the app, Yuval Noah Harari का वो article याद है, where he spoke about how during such times your governments will try and do something of this sort to gather as much data and information as they can about you.
Correct.
So enjoy जिसके पास भी आरोग्य सेतु ऐप है.
Hey, but I need a haircut really badly, huh? रख लो information.
But you know, talking about apps, actually India is right now, I think, the highest after China, of course, in terms of app consumption. 68% of users across WhatsApp globally are Indian.
What? 60% of the people who use apps?
68.
Wow.
68%
Yeah.
are all Indians. So either to imagine kar, it's become like the next hub for all your IT and app development wala scene. In fact, India का एक और चीज क्या है that for app creation, right, development of the app, India charges the lowest amount. We charge about $8.
Because according to our TV ads, 4-year-olds are making our apps for us. Have you seen that
Dude,
creepy fucking
but
thing?
our internet is genuinely one of the cheapest in the world.
Yeah, it is 100%.
No, Swapna, app development charges are $8 an hour, and highest is in North America, which is roughly about $225 per hour. Huh?
Wow.
Per hour is as high as 225. I mean, it's not the average, but it's as high as 225.
Yeah.
Or US के बाद I think अपन second largest in terms of app usage.
Dude, like, just I was just thinking about it. Like, I'm a proper phone addict now. Like, it's done. I'm confirmed. Like, I used to be in denial, and then I saw my Instagram usage stats. Like, if you're spending 3+ hours on an app, you're fucking fucked. And that's just Instagram, and that's not even counting FIFA Mobile, where I'm trying to develop Kamavinga into a extraordinary force of nature. But
I've in fact, for me, it's largely been your WhatsApp, Instagram, all of that. मैं games खेलता ही नहीं है. तो मेरा screen time है ना, which is the other app on your phone, which tells you how much time you've spent on what app and whether you want a certain app locked or whatever. I mean, it's not like मैं नहीं है phone पे, but I'm quite less compared to the other people.
man,
And I still think I'm a lot on my phone. So it's weird.
I'm in it. And the thing about Instagram is I was looking at it today, and I was like, man, it's the ultimate directory of other people's achievements. Right? Like, you go through 2-3 scrolls and your life is so shit in comparison to
Yeah.
everybody else.
Yeah.
And it's completely arbitrary, right? Like your life is pretty decent if you are not on that and you just open another app like Twitter or something.
No, and also, you know what you're feeling? Those people whose lives you saw and were like, oh wow, in log itna mazak
They're
kare,
feeling
they're
the
feeling
same
the
thing.
same thing about you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's so
I'll
fucking
tell you
weird.
the best example of this is how many selfies does a person take before they upload a selfie?
Yeah.
And everyone is doing that. So
Yeah.
just imagine, I mean, except for me, everybody is doing that, right? So
No. Oh, by the way, these we have to talk about, since Chalo, let's talk about this. And we have an expert on the panel. Let's talk about these face filter thingies, right? Within these apps. Vicky Malhotra.
Oh yes, it's pretty fantastic. It's half my career. You know, if Snapchat goes down, then I'm fucked. Then I only have this podcast.
So dude, it's creepy how, so ek to face filter hai where you can take other people's face and put it on your own, and then there is this thing which helps you touch up your face and shit, right?
yeah, and
Lot
then
of
there's
it.
a whole and then
Lot
there's a
of
whole
it.
new subculture which is deepfakes.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
deepfakes
and-
have become such a problem to I mean they've really helped fake newsers, but they've become such a problem for people to
For sure.
distinguish truth from reality. I mean truth from falsehood. It's genuinely difficult
Hey,
in news.
this is a very incredibly naive question, but how do you stop it? Like, how do you go like, okay, enough technology, then don't do that. Like,
It'll
who do
never
you?
know.
Huh?
It'll never happen. Like I'm just going to show you a website. Okay, just for a second. This is live internet stats.
Wow,
There you go.
I don't think I've used that many commas in a sentence.
Yeah. ये क्या नंबर है? मेरे को क्या है?
Number of tweets sent today.
अरे ट्विटर का तो
Tumblr is
अलग
still existing,
अलग करते
dude.
हैं.
Now just watch this. So in 1 second there are so many tweets since we opened this page.
This is what I think I've
Crazy.
said this before also, and I'll say it again.
Dude,
Like
it's
I don't
insane.
envy the historians of the future, dude, because they have to go through so much data.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
back
they
in the
just
day,
have to
there
go
were
through
4
data.
people who knew how to write, and all of the writing survived, and that's it. That's history, right? अब तो तेरे को इतना सारा tweets, इतना garbage, इतने posts. How the
So
fuck
there
are you
is-
gonna make a coherent picture of humanity, dude?
So here is it. Cisco is forecasting that in a couple of years we will have the internet data size will be about 91.3 which is about 1 billion gigabytes online.
Wow.
That's how much digital waste in terms of data we're creating.
Wow.
So, meaning कितना hard disk
But you know,
खरीदना पड़ेगा?
they like all these apps also have such a great way of keeping you hooked, right? Like
Full.
if you see every any games, right? One of those easy to play games. So for example, like Clash of Clans is supposed to be one of the highest earning apps. 5 billion के आसपास कुछ कमाए थे उन लोग
Bro,
at
can
last
I-
count.
can I
Clash
tell you
of Clans.
Dude, how shamelessly I have given money to FIFA Mobile. It's scary.
But you know, there's a very cool way in which they make you do it also, right? Like if you look
Tell
at
me.
your other apps that you had, your Subway Surfer or Candy Crush or this and that, where you can buy those things, whatever those things are. I barely play any, so I don't know. But when I used to play, I remembered like if you have to buy a pot of gold, for example,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
You'll always spend coins
Yeah.
in your game. Those coins can be bought by purchasing it with actual money. But
Correct.
because in the game it comes under the guise of it being if you spend 1 gold coin, you'll get a bag of gold coin, whatever. You're more likely to use it.
Yeah.
Because
And it's not just that. Any
it's-
gaming algorithm, it sort of operates on the principle of I forgot the exact name, but this is what
as long
in
as you're
theory
not
it is.
seeing real money being changed or something like that, right? You're more likely to spend because they
One
know that
touch
if
buy.
you have to get from level 6 to level 9, and the only way to do it is if you get this specific car in that game, that car you'll not buy with real cash, although you will use coins in the game. After being on the phone for that long ना, तू भूल ही जाता है कि तू actual पैसा खर्च कर रहा है.
The way they sort of operate and the way they sort of function, so the algorithm functions like this. And this is, you would have seen this if you were playing Candy Crush or any word game or something. If you play that, you will understand exactly what I'm saying. You know the amount of times that you switch off you say, okay, chal chhod, nahi ho raha ye level, aur
That's when
main
it gets
band
easy.
kar deta hu. And then a couple of hours or a couple of days later, when you open the phone and you do it, you solve it in the second or third try. And you're like, oh, that's because I forgot about the game. No, it's because the algorithm makes it possible for you to be able to clear that
Progress.
level at that point. And what they're doing is that it's made difficult each time. So then you keep trying it, then you run out of lives, then you're like, मैं वापस आ जाता हूँ, then you come again, and then you try again, and then again you run out of lives,
So,
and then they let you go through.
Yeah.
They basically allow you to go through till
Baba,
you get to a point where it's now you've reached level 94 of 100. Then you're like, bro, अब 6 level के
अभी
लिए
तो कंप्लीट करना ही है.
अभी तो खत्म करने का ही है मेरे को.
so there is this book I was reading. It's called The Cyber Effect. Okay, and it's written by a cyber psychologist, and it's little alarmist, but it's also interesting. Like, it's very insightful. And she was talking about gaming, right? And she says that the one incredible insight was that gaming is very counterintuitive to how life works, in the sense that when you put in hours and hours of practice into something in real life, it tends to get easier. But
Yeah.
games work exactly the opposite way,
Opposite, correct.
where the more you play, the harder it gets, which frustrates you as a human being. It's very difficult to deal with that sort of thing. So that is one thing. And the other thing she was talking about, which is very interesting, and if we have more gaming things, then we'll talk about that. Otherwise, I want to talk to you about this thing which is called the stranger on the train syndrome.
Okay, what is it?
So the stranger on the train syndrome is, do you know why dating apps are so incredibly powerful? Right? And it sometimes feels like you get a match and you can talk to that match, and it's like, fuck, I can talk to this person about anything. Right? So this is the stranger on the train syndrome, where you're more likely to share personal details about your life with a random stranger than you are with your closest peeps.
Yeah, that makes sense also.
Correct? Like, because it's like you almost feel like, oh, this person's a stranger on a train. They have no connection to my life, so I can tell them whatever the fuck I want. Right? So, and that feeling gets replicated on a Tinder or whatever. And it's incredibly powerful. Like, I'm sure, like, you know, if you've been on those apps, there's been at least one match where you've been like, man, how am I so comfortable with this person? You're not. You are just comfortable with a stranger.
Correct.
Or just with the idea of it.
You know, but
Just
like
the idea
I
of
also noticed like change in app usage when it comes to your parents. Like usually your parents will ask you, अरे ये कैसे करते हैं बता, ये सिखा,
Bro,
मेरे को
घुस
Uber नहीं
जाते हैं.
आता है, मेरे को Ola नहीं आता है, ये वो. Yesterday I went to have dinner with my parents, and my dad and mom both, they were so happy that they were able to call for food on Zomato on their own without taking our help,
Yeah.
without taking Karan's help, without my help. They called from this continental place and got their food, and they were really chuffed. And I saw the change in him where dad's like, okay, chal, today also we'll call. Because suddenly they've also been exposed to the
Empowered.
ease
Yeah,
of,
yeah.
हम लोग इधर बैठे हैं, अभी हम लोगों ने चाइनीज के बारे में बात किया, और before you finish your sentence, I have just fucking click, boom, आ गया. Half an hour later, it'll be at my bloody door.
Bro.
So to see them also get so enamored, you almost from a third person point of view see the reason for your addiction.
Yeah.
Right? There was times in the middle I'm ordering from Zomato and Swiggy, my life depends on it. It didn't. घर पे खाना है, मैंने डिनर खाया, बट 2 बजे ऐसे बैठा है, कुछ देख रहा है शो, रैंडमली खाने का मन हो गया, and then the ease from thought to execution was 5 minutes. It was 5 minutes. I took
Or
longer to
less,
think
if you
about
knew what you
that's
want
I'm
to
saying.
eat. Yeah.
Exactly. I took longer to think about what I wanted to eat than to actually order that food and have it delivered.
Yeah.
It's
Correct.
insane. You know, I was reading this thing about China. So China basically other apps to banned hai, right? Udhar bahar ka. So they have something called WeChat, which got really popular, right? Now WeChat ka scene kya tha? It was not only just your regular chat app. Your WeChat app, inside it, because it became so popular, they had everything from banking to flight tickets to hotel bookings to, so it was essentially Zomato Uber,
They don't want you
Google,
to. They don't want you to leave
Facebook,
the app
leave
only.
the app. You do not leave the app. You're always on the app. And with every passing year, they had even more things added to it, just so that your life is literally तुम कुछ भी करना है तो एक ऐप खोलेगा, वो है WeChat. And
Hilarious.
your entire day's needs that you may have from multiple apps will all get out. एक ऐप है, उस पे ही खोल. बिल भरना है, उस पे भर. खाना
This is
मंगाना
like
है,
that
उससे
Just
कर.
Dial. This is that Just Dial Amitabh Bachchan ad, dude.
The thing that also is strange about the internet, not strange, but it's very different from the way we used to live, is that the internet has no closing time.
Yeah.
Right? It's always open. It's 24/7 open. You
But
can
it's
go-
hilarious. Can I just say one thing about this? There was LIC, the portal on LIC. You can't pay your premium on certain days after 5:36 and all that. It's very funny.
That
So,
is so peak LIC.
yeah. So a lot of Indian Indian government websites, earlier when they started off, a lot of them had, and I know SBI or somebody, one of these banks, SBI, or one of these basically centralized banks, had a problem where the internet banking facility would not work after the bank shut.
Hilarious.
Or
Hilarious.
like in the afternoon,
Or
1
in the
o'clock you're
afternoon.
trying to do it, tells you कि नहीं नहीं अभी lunch है. लेकिन
Like,
ऐप
I
खाना
remember-
कैसे खाता है?
Dude,
अरे
that would
ये
be- that
government
would be
app है.
so
It wasn't
great.
even an app, it was an online thing, right? Like you would literally, it wasn't an app, you had to go onto the site and do it.
No, and
And
the
it was-
site would tell you stuff like कि अरे ये tab नहीं, अगला tab try करो.
So I
Then you
think,
open.
so I think that
मुसद्दिल लाल के
there
अनोखी
is still,
कहानी.
like in fact आदित्य देसाई ने इतनी बार मेरे को फोन किया, अरे यार ये अभी टैक्स भरने नहीं दे रहा, कल सुबह भरना पड़ेगा. And I'm like, what does that mean, dude? How can you just like,
कौतुक कंटिन्यू, तू क्या बोल रहा था?
Yeah, no, so I mean, I was just talking about that, right? So the fact that the internet doesn't have any closing time, you can be on it forever and there's always something happening. In fact, right now also, we got a suggestion at 12, near 12 in the night from Discord, and there were fucking everyone
In
was
less
there.
than 5 seconds of us posting that question about, hey guys, what topic to do?
it wasn't 5
Yeah.
seconds. The same guys are watching it and they know how long it took us. But
No, I
but
said
the-
they gave you the
they
idea in
started
5
giving
seconds.
answers.
Suggestions started
Yeah.
coming within seconds, and that's
Exactly.
crazy.
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
No, but Kautuk, you know, just to carry forward from your point, right, where you said that internet has no closing time, I think that's why you see also restaurants like food, or which would
Yeah,
also be
24/7
limited by
now.
अच्छा 11 बजे बंद हो रहा है ये वो.
तो अब भी
देखो,
खोल,
online खोल.
अब भी खोल ऐप.
अरे कुछ भी मिलेगा, कुछ भी मिलेगा, जो तेरे को चाहिए सब मिलेगा. Not just that, in fact, I think the people it benefit the most is retail, because they claim by 2024 42% of your retail sales will be online.
Arey, 100%. Dude,
You know, you won't feel you're an addict till Flipkart or Amazon or Myntra announce their big billion ये वो sale, and for no rhyme or reason. ये every year वो टाइम पे ना मेरा फोन खुल जाता है और मैं देखने लग जाता हूँ वो ऐप पे some shit or the other, and I buy random stuff that I
अरे.
don't need. But I
अरे.
see that, oh, it was original cost was 4,000, now it's available for 3 rupees. So you just buy it
Dude, you
for
know
no
something?
reason.
Siddhi does window shopping on Ajio. So,
Yeah.
you know, like you would do window shopping. So she's like, wow, nice dress. Nice.
Yeah.
Nikita, same thing. हम लोग बैठ
Yeah.
के शो देख रहे हैं वो फोन पे. I said, what are you doing? Nothing, I'm just making my cart. और
Yeah.
कार्ट में 3 साल के सब accumulated चीजें हैं कि हे जब भी हुआ पैसे आ गए, ये करना है, कुछ इवेंट हुआ, कुछ जो भी, मतलब there's an occasion you want to buy stuff, you don't have to go through all of it because your cart is
Ready.
already ready. It's insane. Like
I
you're
do this
buying
with
shit.
books. I do this with books on Amazon.
Yeah.
100%. Dude,
All
ये
the fucking
lockdown
time.
में I realized one thing, that the Amazon has 2 warehouses. Okay, and this is specific to my building, where so they're not letting any people, any of the Amazon delivery people come up to your door, right? So there's a central gate and you leave your parcels there. So Amazon's parcel comes from one warehouse and it gets deposited in the second warehouse, which is my security guard's cabin. क्योंकि वो पक्का warehouse है, dude. There are boxes and boxes and boxes. That's when you realize everyone in this place has been ordering, right? And now that behavior is completely shifted because of the lockdown.
Yeah.
Because you
For
couldn't
sure.
go out. So now we're 100% digital beings.
Dude, we were
Yeah.
shooting for my show in Rajasthan, in Mandava. ठीक है, आजू बाजू कुछ नहीं है, कोई नहीं है,
और एक Amazon वाला.
लेकिन Amazon के पार्सल आते जा रहे.
Correct.
In fact, you needed costumes and this and that. Zara. तो Zara दिल्ली से वो आके ड्राइव करके नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग, 2 दिन बाद इवनिंग में
ड्राइव करके कैमल पे चढ़ा के
20 boxes of, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Zara, you name it, stuff is just
Dude,
coming, and it's
somebody
coming
from
in the
my-
middle of nowhere, bro.
Yeah.
Somebody in my office, she works in my team. She's at home, and her home is in Mankapur. Okay, which is like I want to say like 2 hours away from Lucknow. All right, dude, and it's literally a village. It's not like it's not a town. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not it's not even it's and it's really in the middle of nowhere. And dude, literally, she gets Amazon parcels left, right, and center, and her parents have to actually tell her ki, bro, tu kar kya hai? Like,
Yeah.
how is it that you've ordered so much? Because we've also just been, because of the ease, we've just over ordered things. Like we've just like we don't need it, and we've just ordered it.
You know, that is one perspective. The other perspective is, and I'm coming from this from a like person who loves books and that kind of thing. So I used to be a person who always thought that the bookstore was a sacred place. That like you had to, as a reader, you had to go to a bookstore, and it had a very like you can't replace it ever.
Correct.
And
It was a very
now,
pious experience, right?
it's a very
Like,
pious, sacred experience almost, right? But now what I realized is, man, the bookstore is a finite place, right? There's the guy has to stock the books that sell, right? And some books don't sell, but they're incredibly important to you, right? Or you need them or whatever. And Amazon has endless space, right? So you can get whichever book you want at any time you want, and to places where you don't have bookstores that stock the books you want. So
Yeah.
in that sense, what would you rather have, access or like this? Oh, you know, like this, the bookstore is this place, always access.
Yeah.
sorry, it wouldn't
Path
be. It
of
wouldn't be
least
an-
resistance.
Yeah.
Correct. It wouldn't be an internet set so podcast if I did not bring up Aaron Sorkin, right? So in
He's also available on Amazon.
Yeah, you can order it.
technically. But the thing is, so in an episode, I think it's in an episode of Newsroom. Sorkin basically puts this.
Man.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Her first name is Dildar. Her second name is Begum. The guy he basically makes an argument, and he says, you know, the internet basically has prevented us from we don't browse things anymore. Like, you know, the original definition of browsing, right? Like you
Like
need
cattle.
to know. No, not that's grazing. Like no, I was just saying like
Browse also.
no, I got it. Yeah.
Mm.
But I'm saying like if you don't browse anymore, like the closest we ever came with the internet to browsing was StumbleUpon. You remember StumbleUpon
Yeah.
fucking
Yeah.
years ago, right? So it was the closest but there also you had to add your interests. So it became very personalized browsing, right? Like you can't, like when I was when we were all growing up for that matter, and we didn't have the internet as a place around us, you had that Encyclopedia Britannica, you had Tell Me More, tell me more why, again tell me why more, therefore, all of that. You had that whole set of books, Childcraft, all of those books, and you could at any given point in time pick out a letter from the Britannica Encyclopedia and open it and actually browse. You had no idea what you were going to get.
Yeah.
Now, when you are
Everything is curated for you.
it's curated for you, and more importantly, you have to know what you're looking for.
Yeah. Dude,
Like-
you know something, Baba? There's a beautiful idea by Stephen Fry. You know what the idea is? And this is to go against this algorithm shit. So the idea is that he says, I want to start a restaurant called I'll Have What He's Having. Okay. And the restaurant is that you can only have what someone else is having. And that's the best thing, right? And
So then it all depends on your first customer, na?
Exactly. So, and it's a chain reaction. And he's saying, ki, like, I want to adapt this to books as well. Ki, you know,
I want to read what he's reading.
Amazon shouldn't recommend, hey, because you bought this, you should buy this. It should recommend, hey, here's this guy. He bought this. Do you want this?
But that's probably why Stephen Fry is probably one of the most well-read people on the in the universe, I want to say, because he has this ability of reading pretty much everything.
Anything.
But you know, that's the thing, no, Kautuk, like, I mean, and both of us specifically, because we are readers, right? Now it's come to a point where I know that this book is going to satisfy me before I pick up the book.
Yeah.
You know, like I know, like I
You're
think
not
the
gonna
last
be
time I was
adventurous.
disappointed by a book
It's the
was
same with movies also, dude. Netflix pay.
Hey bro, it's the same with food also. तू
With
खाने
food
का भी
also.
सोच कि तू घूम फिरा के अरे मैं मैकडॉनल्ड से मंगाएगा क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है वो
क्या
अच्छा है.
आने वाला है.
मैं नहीं मंगाएगा, but it's just
no, it's not like McDonald's is still PG Woodhouse, right? Like in I mean not in that sense, but it's like you know you go to
McDonald's
it and
is
you'll read
PG
it.
Woodhouse.
Because like PG Woodhouse is something that you know that the fries in McDonald's will satisfy you because they taste they taste the same. But when you open a PG Woodhouse book, you know that it's going to start with Whistler's mother won the Oaks, and you're going to laugh at that sentence and continue. Whistler's mother is a horse, huh? Just so you know. So similarly, now, like the last time, when were you last disappointed by a book, Kautuk? I was last disappointed by a book because I actually went into the book for the first time without actually reading its reviews or anything, and I went into a book and I was disappointed, and I'm like, I don't want to read it again. And this was about 3 or 4 months ago. So like similarly, I'm just trying to, everything you do is what you want.
ये भी अच्छा point है. We should talk about like the review culture, right? कि now everything is reviewed. Every goddamn thing is reviewed, and like you are also, you know how to, if you're a native internet user, right? And by that I mean we've all grown up with it. Our parents are not. So the way we look at reviews and the way our parents look at reviews is extremely different. Like we know the reviews to discount. Because we're like, hey, ये bot है, या this guy is not, or this is a friend of.
ये उसका खुद का brand है और वही
yeah. And you know that. But your parents are like, no, this has got very good reviews. See, this person has said 5-star review, very nice. Don't you see that the name of the person matches the name on the book?
But you know, like you're talking about apps also. I mean, obviously, whether it's food, whether it's shopping, whether it's getting to places, whether it's booking stuff, whatever. Another thing, obviously, more importantly, that it's done, apps and their convenience have made communication, right? So much easier, so much quicker. So tera WhatsApp bol, ye bol. In fact, there's a new app. I don't know if you heard of it. It's called Signal.
Yeah, Signal's not new. It's old.
I mean, Telegram new now. Telegram Russian hai, bro. तो आधे लोग उधर ही बोल रहे कि नहीं.
No, but Telegram भारी app है, but there's also Signal. So but the thing about Signal is genuinely only, I don't know why you're using it, because you're not a spy.
What does it do?
No, so it's full encryption. Just like WhatsApp said it was, but this one is full encryption.
Before Navika was inside WhatsApp. I feel like Navika is Neo from the Matrix inside WhatsApp.
But I heard about what do you call it, Signal, because Edward Snowden spoke about. मैं बोला 1 मिनट, अगर एडवर्ड स्नोडन बोल रहा है तो डाउनलोड कीजिए, because nobody wants to hide his communication more than Edward Snowden.
But are you using Signal?
I have downloaded, I haven't used it yet. It has to get popular ना, मैं अकेले किससे बात करूं?
Correct. No, also, so the thing is, the thing about Signal or so with Telegram, the reason why Telegram works is because it's got everything. It's got, you can keep your messages, it's got disappearing messages, it's got groups that you can follow, it's got pages that you can follow, you can download movies from it, it's got everything on the app, everything.
How Russia of it?
Dude,
yeah, so
can I tell you something? So I have one Edward Snowden story. And
personal story.
Yeah, personal story. And
this is
उसको
Ecuador में मिला.
नहीं तो एक्वाडोर में जाना ही नहीं पड़ा मेरे को. तो
बेसिकली उसका और एडवर्ड स्नोडन का चश्मा एक्सचेंज हो गया.
नहीं तो क्या हुआ कि मैं एडवर्ड स्नोडन का पॉडकास्ट देख रहा था when he was on the Joe Rogan podcast, right? So I was hearing him, and dude, that guy is so convincing in whatever he says that I started getting freaked out, right? And he was talking about America, and I was sitting in Mumbai going like, oh fuck, CIA मेरे पीछे तो नहीं है. So I tweeted this out saying that, sitting in Mumbai, I'm feeling that the CIA is watching me.
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah, just because I heard Edward Snowden. And Edward Snowden is so paranoid, or maybe is just so proud of his stuff, that he's searching for a mention of Edward Snowden. So he saw it and he liked the tweet. The official Edward Snowden Twitter account has liked it, right? And I'm like, dude, the fucking CIA can't find you, and if I just tweet about you, you're like, "हाँ मैं इधर हूँ."
Because I'm assuming he's also kept like a real time. You remember RSS feeds, which
Yeah.
was something that used to exist.
Yeah,
So he's probably kept
Which
an
is
RSS
not the
feed with his-
RSS feeds you guys
but
are
he's
thinking
not
about.
like- he's
It's
not
got
like-
nothing to do with
It
the
has
other
nothing to
RSS.
do
Yeah,
with
yeah.
RSS. Yeah,
He's not liked every single Edward Snowden tweet. You have to be of a certain quality, but
Yeah.
but I'm pretty sure like one person in the comment is going to be like, yeah, you chutia, that is a fucking bot that he's got going on. तो chutia है, वो Edward Snowden थोड़ा ना like किया है. हाँ ठीक है, but उसका है ना, स्क्रीनशॉट है मेरे पास.
तेरे को किसी बॉट ने लाइक किया क्या एडवर्ड स्नोडन के? नहीं ना, तो बस हम लोग जीते.
Bhankas.
मैं क्यों
But it
जीता
was
पता
fun.
नहीं तेरे साथ.
It was fun, dude. But like this data privacy and encryption and all this is like it's fucking scary shit. And I will say yes to any user agreement
अरे
if I want that app.
that's pretty much everybody, right? आज
Right.
तक किसी ने बोला है क्या? No.
Yeah.
नहीं, सब लोग अग्री
Yeah.
करके आगे जाके जाना है तो वो करना ही पड़ेगा. और
Yeah.
फाइन प्रिंट में क्या लिखा है किसको मालूम.
किसको
But you know
मालूम?
one thing about apps that I need to talk about, and that is the newspaper, right? अभी मेरे पास iPad है, right? या पहले जब भी था तो उसपे they would try and replicate the
paper
feel
feel,
of a newspaper on the app. और मैंने आज 9 महीने बाद फाइनली बोला कि चल पेपर भेज वापस, क्योंकि अभी चालू हो गया पेपर. तो मैं आज पहले पेपर पढ़ा एक्चुअली हाथ में पकड़ के. ब्रो वो फीलिंग नहीं होता है यार फोन पे एनडीटीवी ऐप पे ऐसे स्क्रॉल करो और एक्चुअली बैठ के पढ़ो. उसका वाइब भी कुछ अलग है. सुबह के कॉफी के साथ यू नीड इट.
Clearly Varun has not transitioned to the Kindle as because this is the same argument for the Kindle, right? Like a lot of people who are reading books can't transition to the Kindle, and I was one of them. I resisted it for I don't know how long before I bought the Kindle, and the Kindle I think in 3 days changed my life because I realized
एक मिनट तू तो फिर भी वोरेशियस रीडर है ना, तू बुक पढ़ रहा है. मैं नहीं करता है, फिर भी Kindle आने के बाद अपने आप पढ़ा और मजा आया वो पढ़ने में.
I don't know why Kindle has never done this for an ad, because the only headline the Kindle needs for any reader is there is no left page.
No, Baba, that's a really good copy, but I would also add, I would have a second ad which runs simultaneously.
Of course.
And the second ad is, hey, you live in a box in Mumbai and you pay rent to Neville. You can't have space for books. Ye like Kindle. That would be my copy.
But I'm just saying, like, genuinely, like, you know that thing where you finish reading a page and then you have to turn, dude. How frustrating, yeah? And so I'm saying,
How
like,
frustrating.
it genuinely. So I'm saying, like, sorry, where did we come from this? Yeah, the fact
real
that
feel
you're talking about
versus the app
newspapers.
feel of that said
But if you
activity.
download, but for example, if you download Magster or you download any of these apps which are a collation, which are basically it's an app which lets you subscribe to various newspapers and various magazines and various things. It's really not the same thing, but that's true for books and Kindle as well. But it comes pretty close.
Dude, you know something?
Yeah,
Like,
100%.
during this pandemic, right? So one other thing that happened was that I became a massive news junkie, right? And that's another thing that the internet has an endless supply of. Like there's just a new breaking news.
And every narrative that you would want to listen to.
Yeah, full.
Your
And there's-
own, सामने वाला.
नहीं तो वो पूरा ऐसा wave में जाता है, right? So
हाँ.
something happens and someone reacts to the reaction and then you keep watching it, right? So I got fully sucked into it. And
I'll say what he's saying.
yeah, exactly. Hilarious. तो मैं घुस गया था, and one thing I noticed, right? So right now the news media is dying because no one is fucking paying for it. Dude, अगर तू कोई भी news site पे जाएगा, वो लोग
It's
भीख मांग रहे
heartbreaking.
हैं. भीख मांग रहे हैं, dude. वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि अरे प्लीज दे दे थोड़ा, प्लीज हम लोग ऐसा, we want to give you free news, we want to
Dude,
give you safe
Guardian
news.
also is doing it. Like everybody. Are you subscribing to any news apps? Because I'm subscribing to 2 news apps which sort of
नहीं,
thing.
and dude, but the biggest argument against it is people just going, हट, मेरे को WhatsApp पे फ्री पे आ रहा है, तू गाड़ मारा. Like मेरा
Yeah,
फूफा जी भेज रहा है मेरे को.
और WhatsApp वाला न्यूज़ ज्यादा मसालेदार है, मजा आ रहा है उसमें.
Always.
So here's the biggest problem, right? Like subscription based news, the advantage is it's not dependent on advertising, so it allows you a lot more independence for journalism, right? Like, so for example, currently there was, and I know they just got into controversy, but like Ken,
The Wire,
right?
Oh, Ken.
No, the Ken. right? Like now I subscribe to the Ken. There's an equivalence which is just recently launched, and I'll probably take a look at that. But I subscribe to the Ken. There is also another one called Splainer. Or Swaddle, like, you know, there are several of these. But what that allows for you to do is not worry about advertising, and therefore you actually have the independence to do or say or actually be a journalistic person. Like the New Yorker, no matter how left liberal it is, it still is not necessarily dependent on ads, because its subscription is fucking $12. So so my point really was that I think it's important to subscribe to newspapers that you read more frequently than the others. So not everyone has to subscribe to Guardian, but like I think a few people who read it on an everyday basis should be subscribing to the Guardian.
देख, फिलहाल मैं 250 रुपया महीना दे रहा हूँ प्रणेश न्यूज़पेपर को, और वो टाइम टू टाइम मेरे को आके ये देके जा रहा है मस्त, और मैं बैठ के पढ़ रहा हूँ. इसमें भी इंग्लिश में लिखा है, इसमें भी मजा आ रहा है. देख, कोविड डिटेक्शन इज लोअर बट स्टिल नो डिप इन सीवियर केसेस.
How many newspapers do you get at home?
Only 5
Which all?
supplements of the same paper.
Dude,
Abhi,
so every
Guess
time,
what the paper? What paper am I talking about?
no, so every time I've gone to Varun's house, right? So I'll usually land up at 12 or something for a writing thing, and Varun has cast aside the Times of India, and he is very happily going through Bombay Times.
नहीं, मुंबई मिरर.
Oh, and Mumbai Mirror, and he's like, अरे सब पढ़ लिया भाई.
सब पढ़ लिया. पहले चालू होता है लाइट टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया से, वो पढ़ते पढ़ते फिर आएगा मुंबई मिरर, और एंड में स्वीट में क्या है सर? बॉम्बे टाइम्स. अच्छा, कौन किसके साथ सेक्स कर रहा है बताओ.
No, but like Hindu, subscribe to the Hindu,
ओके.
please.
A lot of people are saying the same thing right now. So, but okay, so
But you know, one thing we should talk about, like, abhi, we'll end it with what sort of apps you would want. But Kautuk, if I had to ask you, top 5 तेरा apps जो तू या तो यूज करता है या तो recommend करेगा.
जो मैं यूज करता हूँ, so would be obviously Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. I use the AnyBooks app a lot, and Reddit.
No, so I'll tell you what, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter,
Oh, yeah, those are like
aside,
universal.
because that's pretty much अपने
Universal.
बाप भी
Okay,
यूज कर
so-
रहे हैं, तेरा बेटा भी यूज करेगा.
I'll tell you what I have on my
Other than that,
I'll tell you what I have on my main feed. So I use this app called Journey, which is really good for taking notes and stuff. And I'm a very note-taking person, so I like that app a lot.
so what does it have that your regular notes doesn't have?
I mean, it's just like I like the interface of it. It's clean, like it just looks nice, and you can send it, like, you know, it's like your basic features, but very well done. So
Okay.
I like it. I mean, these note-taking things are your preference, and you got to find the thing that like suits your. It's like a notebook.
This is true
fully
for
like a
pretty much
notebook.
everything. Yeah.
तो मेरे को जर्नी बहुत पसंद है, तो you can try it if you like. I use InFrame for taking screenshots of my tweets, which I put on Instagram, like comedians do. Spotify, I have.
But
a
one
music-
second, why do you take an app to
Why
take a
can't you
screenshot?
just hit screenshot? Why don't you
Nahi,
do
I
power
need
down
to
and volume button?
frame it and stuff like that. So it's
But
basically a
it takes
photo editing.
It's
app.
called a crop.
6 seconds.
No,
Yeah,
and
you
then
just
put a
crop it or
and you put a
either side.
fucking white background behind it and shit like that. It does customization, which is nice. I have news stuff. I have InShots for news.
हाँ.
I have the Google Podcasts app, which is great for podcasts, and because I'm into football, I have subscribed to The Athletic. So
Oh,
I
you have a subscription?
have a
Please
subscription to
password भेज
Athletic.
दे.
हाँ,
मुझे
मैं
भी
भेजता हूँ.
भेज.
And
तेरे पास,
and
क्योंकि तेरे पास मेरा 3 पासवर्ड है.
bro, I'll tell you something. I have downloaded, and I'm probably only one among 4 people in the world to have downloaded Woot.
Oh, I'm one of them. I have Woot on my phone.
Yeah, but I downloaded for Splitsvilla. I don't know what you're
Okay,
downloading.
no chance.
I downloaded because I wanted to delete an app. So for me, I'll tell you the apps that I actually I like. I used to use Evernote a lot.
Yeah.
Evernote is basically तू दो लोग के बीच में भी बैठ के तू सब कर सकता है, इधर एडिट किया उधर दिखेगा. Basically like थोड़ा
Google
advanced
Sheets,
version
yes.
of Google Sheets type. Then Spotify for sure. मतलब सब म्यूजिक ऐप वही करता है, लेकिन स्पॉटिफाई का इंटरफेस मेरे को बहुत फटे लगता है, मस्त मजा आता है। और मैं वो लोगों में से नहीं हूँ जो म्यूजिक बफ होके गाना खत्म हुआ नहीं कि गाना म्यूजिक ऐप डाउनलोड करने से एड्स आ जाता ना लोगों के बीच में कि ब्रो ले ले प्रीमियम
वाइब
120
वाइब ही
रुपया है
खत्म हो
महीने
जाती है।
का, ठीक है,
हाँ,
बहुत सारे
लेकिन
एडवांटेज है।
सब गाने अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसके लिए
वो
VPN लेके
प्रॉब्लम है,
प्लीज,
इसलिए
नो
वीपीएन लेके
US वाला प्लीज
यूएस
लगाओ, नो
ऑलवेज
प्रॉब्लम, यूज अ पिन कोड एंड यूज इट, इट्स फाइन।
ऑलवेज
Dude, also this
देन
app. Sorry, you continue.
बोल बोल कॉल फिनिश।
No, so I just saw my other stuff, and I would also recommend if I mean, so I use the Smart Recorder app because I do stand up and shit. So to record sets, Smart Recorder is really good. So if you're into stand up and recording shit, I like it.
हाँ
And Pocket to save articles on the internets to read later, which you never do, but it's good to know that
Safari
it's
has
there.
a great feature to save, but ठीक है, carry on.
Pocket.
या सो मेरा था, आई थिंक आई सेड स्पॉटिफाई, रेडिट फॉर श्योर,
Yeah,
ए
बिकॉज़
तू वही कर रहा है जो कौतुक को ना बोला तूने करने
हाँ, ये
में।
सब
Reddit,
populist.
Spotify, Twitter,
Okay, fine,
Instagram
fine.
सब
Okay,
वहाँ
no,
है।
तेरा
okay,
hipster
fine,
app बता,
fine,
hipster app चल।
fine.
हाँ,
रेडिट ने कहा, स्पॉटिफाई ने कहा, चल एवरनोट एक है, देन अनफोल्ड करके एक ऐप है, अगर तेरे को
Great app.
इंस्टाग्राम को अगर तेरे को मस्त बनाना है, तेरे
मस्त
फोटोज
जगह बनाने हैं,
वीडियोस
correct.
कोलाज बिलाज
Unfold.
बैकग्राउंड बैकग्राउंड
उसका एक सिस्टर कंसर्न है कॉल्ड कैनवा, वो भी ले लो।
नहीं मैं नहीं लूंगा क्योंकि ये कैनवस बोल नहीं पाया इंसान ऐप, कैनवा पे छोड़ दिया इसने, तो मैं फॉर दैट रीजन आई एम आउट।
Dragon's Den. Nice.
तो क्या था, अनफोल्ड बोला दैट वन, फिर अगेन इन शॉर्ट इज अगेन टू एडिट वीडियो सब बंकर्स
Yeah.
करने के लिए, इट्स रियली गुड। फिर मेरे पास एक फार्ट ऐप था जो बहुत फनी है बिकॉज उसमें पाद का अलग अलग आवाज है,
Oh, that's always hilarious.
and it's got they define different types of fart, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उसका साउंड आता है।
ये मेरे को लग रहा है ब्रिज का फोन है। Isn't that an app Bridge would have?
Bridge had it.
घर से तो आया है, हाँ.
Bridge had it. और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट दो और ऐप है, एक है Shazam. Shazam ने एक्चुअली बहुत सॉर्ट कर दिया है सीन, क्योंकि you know music is that one thing you always want to ask, but there's also this
But
thing
तेरा
you
Shazam
feel.
करण नहीं है क्या?
हाँ नहीं करण तो मेरा रियल लाइफ, अगर मुझे Shazam में गाना नहीं मिला ना तो मैं वॉइस नोट भेजता हूँ करण को कि वो गाना कौन सा है.
How will you understand?
No,
wait,
especially
hear it.
no.
Ala,
That's
ala,
for
ala,
electronic
ala.
music. That's for only electronic music. कि मैं literally acapella tune भेजेगा उसको, like वो गाना कौन सा है, जो भी टेक्नो गाना, और उसको समझता है ब्रो. आई एम टेलिंग यू, हम लोग कुछ अलग ही लेवल पे, and within 5 minutes he'll tell me the track. It's crazy.
Crazy.
And one app I think that's changed and saved a lot of time for me. I love that, and it's Cam Scanner, bro. Because we
Cam
sometimes
Scanner is
underestimate the amount of times we have to scan shit. Or like a
बहुत
DocuSign.
recent problem लग रहा है वरुण
नहीं
का,
bro,
ये बहुत
बहुत
recent
सारा.
problem.
No, but
बहुत-
I'm a
बहुत
fan of Cam Scanner also.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love it. अरे
No,
sir,
I have it, but it's not an
एक
everyday
बैंक
app.
का एक कुछ खोलने के लिए या वीजा के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा है तभी तो कुछ करके, dude, the ease in which it just happens is damn good. That and DocuSign also.
Dude, I have a feeling all our professions.
एक्चुअली
of
मैं एक
them.
लास्ट ऐप भूल गया जो मैं सबको
हाँ.
बोलना चाहता हूँ, वो आपको करना चाहिए. अलग अलग एप्स है वो टाइप के. आई यूज समथिंग कॉल्ड स्टार ट्रैकर बिकॉज मेरे को
What? Star Trek.
नाइट स्काई देखना बहुत पसंद है, एंड दिस इज अ रियली गुड ऐप. इट लिटरली मैप्स आउट द एंटायर दिस
Very
फॉर यू.
nice.
तो मजा आता है देखने में,
सही.
कौन सा गैलेक्सी किधर है, कौन सा कॉन्स्टलेशन किधर है.
सही.
चल
So,
बाबा तेरा
apart from social media and those kind of ones, मैं XKCD बहुत यूज करता है. I just think it's funny. Chive यूज करता है.
चाय मजा आता है वो.
What is it? What does it do?
It's, I'll show you. It's just I mean, they call it the best app in the world, but it's
What?
kind of like they call it
तो ऐसा
probably the
क्यों
best app
शक्ल
in the
बना
world.
जैसे तूने बनाया है चाय.
No. So
What
it's
does it do?
basically like a news feed Reddit
Everything.
kind of thing,
ये
but it's like
सस्ता
every-
Reddit है bro. It's Reddit only pretty much.
So Chive है.
Chal, download.
I use Medium a lot. I use a lot of Medium as well. फिर और क्या है? एक second. Discord अभी because of desperate needs, and I'm not talking about all the watching apps like Live and all. Footmob for scores, Cricinfo for
Oh yeah, live score.
scores.
I forgot live score.
Yeah. So FootMob for scores, this thing for scores, um, Guardian, New Yorker, Hindu.
अरे वो तो न्यूज में आ गया ना.
आरोग्य सेतु ऐप वो तो
बढ़िया.
प्राइवेसी हैकिंग में आ गया.
But you know, I think one thing we actually didn't speak about, and that's also now with all your UPI. Bro,
Yeah,
phone से पेमेंट करना वो तो एक
अरे
बहुत
भाई
अपन
साहब.
important चीज तो भूल ही गए, which I feel not just during the pandemic. अभी तो it's become even better क्योंकि तू सब्जी खरीद, सिगरेट खरीद, दूध वाला, पेपर वाला,
सिगरेट
कुछ
मत
भी
खरीद.
अबे मत खरीद. मैं तेरे को एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. पान वाले पे जाके पान खरीद. सबके पास है. In fact, after the pandemic, it became even more imperative that
Yeah,
they have
yeah.
it. But
Yeah.
just the ease in which you don't have to worry about having cash.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's always good to have some cash because तेरा बैटरी मर गया तो
Dude,
कुछ नहीं है. लेकिन it's
my-
so cool to just be able to go to places you wouldn't think would work without cash and literally जाके एक scan किया और हो गया खत्म.
Dude, my dad had come over and the first thing, okay, even before he said hi, he was like, "Can you set up my Google Pay, please?" So we set it up for him, and then we went down to the Kirane ka store to, and he says, and this is the cute thing about parents, right? They don't use an app; they practice it. So I want to practice my Google Pay. Okay. So then he used it at the Kirane ka store, and you know the Kirana wala is looking at me like I am a father of a child. You know, and he's like, it's so nice, no, that they're learning. And I was like, buddy, he's a 60-year-old man, right? And then he did the whole thing, he did it slowly, and he fucking learned it. And now he calls me up and he says that, you know, we have mastered the Google Pay.
The Google Pay. ब्रो जब भी गूगल पे पहले डाउनलोड कर रहे थे हम लोग तो वो वाला कर रहे थे कि एक दूसरे को एक एक रुपया भेज रहे हैं ताकि कैशबैक मिले. कितना भी पैसे कमा लो, फुकट में कैशबैक मिलने का joy.
Yeah, but that joy is crazy, dude. That joy.
Even
Yeah,
now,
but-
if I get 7 rupees, I get excited. But 9 out of 10 times I get, please try again or
No,
whatever.
better luck next time.
Better luck next time. Yeah.
Better luck next time.
What are
Even
the
off-
apps that you want to invent? ये मैं सवाल इसके लिए पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास 3 ऐप थे
Oh, बता ना, please.
जो मेरे को बनाना है, लेकिन मेरे पास कोई कोडर नहीं है. तो
आ जाएगा ब्रो. अपने जो व्यूअर्स हैं उसमें से बहुत सब शाने लोग हैं, सबके पास
तो
कुछ
मेरे
ना
पास
होगा.
तो दो फंक्शनल एप्स हैं जो मेरे को लग रहा है
चाहिए.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Wait,
life
let me
में.
guess. One of them is called the pen sniffing app, where you put your phone to your.
Yeah, and it
No,
smells
it's
like
not.
your pen.
It's not I French
Yeah.
kiss. It's not I French kiss. No. So one app is about. Okay, it's going to sound complicated to you. So only because like for y'all Varun will just say, "Oh, bro, it's Google Calendar." So
Wow,
Yes,
is
it
it?
is.
Is that what it is?
Speaking
So
of,
the-
मैं 7 रुपया जीता.
Wow.
so the
अंकल
thing is,
नहीं हूँ, मैं तेजा हूँ,
I
तेजा.
I have like 4 or 5 calendars, right? Like that I need to manage, right? Like so I have like
Oh, so you want a
my personal
multi-calendar app.
calendar. Yeah, but the problem is, I know a lot of people will say that they just sync it to the same calendar app, but that's not what I want. Because please understand the functionality of the app.
He has 5
Yes.
careers, okay, and 4 calendars. So he has to
No.
manage all
So
of them.
let's just for the sake of this conversation, let's assume I have 3 calendars. Okay, I have a personal calendar, I have a work calendar, and I have a stand-up calendar. All right.
Sure.
Now, I want my personal calendar and my stand-up calendar and my work calendar to sync into one calendar, just so that my manager knows कि ये टाइम और ये टाइम के बीच में उसका एक मीटिंग है तो मैं शो नहीं रख सकता है. एंड
Okay.
somebody in office knows कि 8 बजे के बाद उसका 8 से 9 शो है तो वो तब भी कॉल नहीं रख सकता है.
Hey,
Baba, the more you're talking about it, the more this is sounding like Google Calendar.
It does not, because you can't sync Outlook into Google Calendar. You can't. It doesn't work.
Outlook use कर रहा है.
So because what I want to be able to do is
ये
export
देख,
one
ये
calendar.
देख, इस पे सब है. Stand up, show, birthday.
But it's correct. But the point is, I can't share one calendar link and give out these times are blocked, right? That's the problem I'm having. You still not
I think
understood the
Baba,
problem?
you can work a little bit on your app development.
what is
Yeah.
the second app? Chal, what is the second app? One is
The
calendar,
second app.
multi-syncing. Huh.
The second app, and I know somebody has some version of this that's already out now, but I had this idea 3.5 years ago. So
Just
I'm
like I had Facebook idea 20 years ago.
No. I had
लेकिन
this
साला
idea 3.5
Zuckerberg
years.
माधव चौथ
Dude,
ने ले लिया मेरा.
it's written. It's sent as
okay,
a
okay,
pitch to
okay. We
somebody.
believe you.
So the app, and you won't be surprised. So basically,
It helps divorced men get further divorced.
when you die,
I was close.
okay. So when
Or
you
deletes
die,
your Facebook.
No,
it deletes
it
your
continues.
entire digital footprint.
Oh.
That you can't do.
Why?
मैं Vsauce का एक तेरे को वीडियो भेजता हूँ. What you think
No.
is delete is never actually delete.
No, I know. But the point is, at least the accounts that are operational by me. I'm not saying delete. There's no way that the pictures that somebody else has tagged.
So how
on
will this app know you're dead?
Hey,
Yes.
Baba, you know what?
So,
Can I
I'll
tweak
tell
your
you.
idea?
I've thought about it also. That's why. Wait.
Okay, then
you
I'll
can
tweak
tell
your
me
idea.
the tweak
Haan.
later.
Chal.
So the idea is, it's very simple. Once you download the app, right? You feed in all the things that are active. So you feed in your Twitter, your Instagram, your whatever. You fed that in. Now there is one kill code. All right. That one kill code you can either put into your will and give it to the next of kin, or you can give it to your spouse or the person who you trust most and give them that kill code. That kill code you can change as many times as you need to. Supposing you have a breakup or whatever, and you don't want to use that same kill code, or you can put it in your will, and that's the kill code.
The will code.
If you break up with your spouse and just out of spite he or she goes and enters the kill code to delete everything, you have 30 days before you can recover it, but there's a bypassing of the kill code which you have. So nobody can. So at no point in time does your digital footprint go unless and until you want it to disappear.
Oh.
So
And
now
for that
this
reason-
app is not possible because Facebook's API does not. It's not giving
Okay.
it to a third party for it to delete the app. Twitter is not giving their API to a
Wait.
third party to delete the app.
Bhave, can I tweak your idea and make it
Sure,
incredibly better?
sure.
So the app is, once you die, right? The app sends out unsent messages that you always wanted to send, but you didn't have the balls to send because you were like consequences. So
Huh.
like as soon as you die, फटाफट तेरा सारे unpopular opinions, messages to people.
But मैंने
just
टाइप करके रखा है
everything.
साइड में basically.
हाँ, और वो सब फट करके send.
और
And
बाप
now
अगर
what the fuck
और
are they gonna do?
you know how will
Nothing.
the app find out Baba's dead? Through Baba's calendar.
Yes! We have killed this app. This is amazing. This
Yeah,
is
we have
gonna be
killed the chances of this app ever
Dude,
If
coming.
anyone can make
This-
this, please contact us.
No, if anybody can make that the death app, please contact me.
That's right. And if it already exists,
बाबा
then
ऐप जैसे
please
अच्छी
put it in the
चीज
comments.
जिसपे लोग खुश चीजें करना चाहते हैं, जो अपने जिंदगी का तामझाम
Bro,
कम
I'm telling
करता है,
you, one sec, you
वो
won't
इतना
sign up
अच्छा
for
है.
a kill app?
No,
Tell me
I
the
don't give a
truth.
fuck. Why will
Really,
I
you
kill-
won't.
Why will I sign up for a kill app? I don't care. I'm dead.
Yeah,
अभी
but
है जो है वैसे ही है. इनफैक्ट मैं कौतुक वाला करूंगा
हाँ.
कि जो लोगों को मुझे गाली देनी थी,
हाँ.
जो भी चीजें मैं अंदर दबा के रखे ना अभी,
हाँ,
एक
सब-
बार मर
सब
गया
बाहर.
ना वो सीधा आ जाता है बाहर.
no.
सीधा आ जाता है
I
बाहर.
think that the
Yeah.
kill app
Unleash
is
hell.
important because, like, why
In
the
fact,
fuck should your inbox
Kautuk, there should be
exist and-
a cart in which you put all your thoughts
yeah.
in this app that you will never go out. Only you
Yeah.
know. एक बार तू मर गया
And
वो
then it
सीधा
puts it on
अपने
all
आप-
your social media.
all
yeah,
your
yeah,
social-
straight up.
all.
It tags people and puts it.
Fuck, put yeah.
तू
it tags-
motherchode है, like
I
that.
wanted to go as a WhatsApp to people.
Yeah.
also.
Hey, by the way, I'm dead and tu
I'm
mother
dead.
chode hai. Like that should be the message.
It's literally coming back from the dead to fucking Sunaos of
One
me.
last ride.
One last one. सही है.
Yeah, but you have to be confirmed dead before you hit that button.
Ah, exactly.
Otherwise,
Exactly.
God help
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Otherwise, you will be dead soon anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah. तो तेरी मौत निश्चित है. कुछ भी हो. All right, on that note, it's the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing our favorite apps, and yeah, we listed out a whole bunch. If you guys have any apps that you think we would like, or people watching the podcast would like, please let us know in the comments. Also, make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell your friends who've not followed the channel to follow the channel, and yeah, see you guys again next week.
Tis
by the way,
Reddit,
you can-
Tis and Discord, everything. dude.
Yeah. And you can use the Book My Show app to book tickets to my show that's happening on the 15th of November.
Yeah.
And you can
see you
also use the Book My Show app to book tickets for the shows that are happening between the 23rd and the 27th of November at that comedy club in Bombay for me. So Azim and I are doing a spot.
That's
Kautuk will be
awesome.
there for at least 2 shows.
That's awesome. You guys can also use the Google Pay app and send me money.
Better luck next time.
981. अगले बार कोड डाल दूंगा एक बार कोड. Okay, that's it from this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you again next week.
Bye.
Salam ishq.
Bye.
Hold up.
ऐप मुझे अच्छे लगने लगे. ये ऐप मुझे अच्छे लगने लगे. हम ऐप के हैं कौन? हम ऐप के हैं कौन?
वाह.
कैसे नहीं गया अपन? ऐप के खाते. मैं पन कर रहा था ऐप के ऊपर कि अपन ऐप पे पन करते. अपन बोला तुम्हें ले ला.
Bye.